Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 12i. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, go to screen lock, confirm, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select none, and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe, pin, password, and in the end, pattern. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint, add fingerprint, and simply we have to scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located right here on the back of the phone. Simply tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. When it's done, we can unlock the phone using the fingerprint. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply enroll your face and scan it in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.